everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing, or rather I am de-enveloping a leather bag. I am itching to get this one out of this mailer because I'm concerned about it. It shouldn't be this flat. This is a new style of bag for me. I'm very excited to try it. I have not been persuaded to try it thus far. I'll tell you why in a minute. But this color is a favorite of mine, and so when I saw it on eBay for a very reasonable price, I went ahead and grabbed it, knowing that later I could resell it or pass it on to a friend if it's not for me. Let's rescue her from this envelope. So she's in there with no protection, no wrapping, nothing. Oh, yeah. She's smashed. Oh my goodness. I don't usually have this experience when I buy on Treat, but sometimes, often on eBay, I think the people who sell on eBay, they don't regularly ship leather bags, like that's not their specialty, but this should really have some paper in it to help it hold its shape and also be shipped in a box. So now this is kind of wonky and curly, and you can just see it's got some creases in it. Fortunately, I don't think it's anything that we can't deal with, but still, ship in a box, please. If you don't already know, this is a Portland Leather Goods Nora shoulder bag. Is that what they call it? Nora shoulder bag. I haven't tried one of these, and there's a couple reasons why. One is something about the shape here, like going in and the strap going at a different angle, it kind of like throws my eye off, and so I've been hesitant to give her a try. I think that's kind of the main reason. I've also been concerned about the shoulder drop being like too snug for me. I don't like anything like up in my armpit too much, but I do want to do some try-ons. I want to figure out, actually, is this the classic Nora or is this the large Nora? Because I know it comes in two sizes, and the seller on eBay did not say which, and I was just up for giving it a try, I guess, that day. So looking at the website, I think one of the easiest ways for me to determine if this is a classic or a large is to do this measurement right here. The classic is going to be 6.5 and the large is going to be 7.5. I've got my laptop here, so I'm double checking the dimensions. Let's measure like this isn't awkward. Oh, okay. So it's really measuring closer to 6, not even 6.5. So this is the classic size for sure. This is not the large. And I think I'm okay with that. It feels like it's still gonna hold plenty. And I'm just realizing I didn't tell you what color this is. So this is actually the color Havana or Havana, and a lot of people just call it Hava. I believe this might be a unicorn bag. I'm not sure that the Nora ever came out on the website in Hava. So that would mean someone got this in like a sea sale maybe, or in some sort of unicorn sale at a store. If you know for sure if this is a unicorn or not, let me know in the comments below. The next thing I want to do is make this strap a little bit longer. I kind of want to wear it in its longest setting for my own comfort. So she does have two loops on the strap. They are both loose and can move, which I think is a really good feature. So what I'm going to try to do is change this to the longest setting. I'm going to move that first loop down toward that circle ring, and what that's going to do is just kind of pinch the strap and hold it there. And then I'm going to use the second one to hold this little flappy part in place. That looks cleaner and nicer to me than what it looked like before. Oh, that makes, you know, a little bit of a difference. It's still kind of one of those bags that I call an armpit bag, where it's definitely up under your arm. So I'm gonna have to decide, do I want to keep this or do I want to pass it on to someone else that loves this style? I know there are people that love this style, and so if I don't really love it, I can easily pass it on to someone who will. In the classic Nora, let's see what fits. I have a large bifold wallet in Boreal. Fits easily. I have a large cold brew marigold pouch. I'm going to slip that down in there too. I might put that in upside down just so that it follows the curvy contour. Oh, it kind of pokes out. Let me see if I can put it the other way. Oh, and actually that helps kind of fill the base of the bag out nicely. I don't have my keys on me. Let's pretend the measuring tape is my keys. I would probably have my phone. Let's just pretend this is my phone. And that's generally everything I have on a daily basis. Sometimes I throw my AirPods in and they live in a little mini daisy, and there would be room anywhere for that. Okay. The other reason that I haven't picked one of these up before too is the zipper. You guys know, if you watch my videos at all, that sometimes I'm just not into zippers. So there she is, all loaded. I kind of like the slouch that she gets, and it's really fun with this sort of metallic brown. Okay, so now she's loaded, which makes her feel completely different on my shoulder. She's got a ring here, so I could easily add some fun flare to the front. And there she is. Oh, and I know that she does have a front and a back. There are the little Portland leather trees right here that are embossed. So technically, I would wear it this way. However, if I want to add flare, I'm going to wear her this way. Okay, so there she is. Once again, I'm only about 5 feet tall, size XL, XXL. And so this is how she's fitting me. I'm kind of glad that she's the classic size. This one is actually like pretty roomy for being the smaller of the two sizes. Okay, so jury's still out for me on whether I'm gonna keep this bag or resell or pass it on. I don't know. I really like Hava. It's such a fun color, and what a unique style to find in Hava. What do you guys think? Was this a unicorn bag? Help me out with the facts here. Let me get my facts straight. Even though she came to me a little bit smashed, I think that she is definitely redeemable, and yeah, the more I look at her, the more I like her. So we'll see how she wears. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.